Now let's turn to page 62 and take a look at multiple choice question 8 here. So it says it is investigate the order of reactivity. And then for this one, remember the lab that we did about the displacement reaction? We should solve a similar table, right? So remember for displacement reaction, I'll write here. So for more reactive metals, that is adding less reactive metals, right? Less reactive metal compound. Then it will form a more reactive metal compound. Oh, sorry about that. Compound. And then plus the least reactive metal here, right? So if the reaction can happen, then it represents the metal here should be more reactive, right? Let's take a look at the table here. So we have chromium with chromium, these two metals are exactly the same. It won't happen. This one is normal. And take a look at manganese and chromium. Oh, the manganese can react with chromium, which represents the manganese here. I will use Mn to symbolize for this one. And chromium should be Cr. Let me put it on the left altogether. Now we know that the first thing that we derived from this option is that manganese is greater than chromium, right? And the ion cannot react, which means chromium should be greater than iron itself, right? Then I stick right here. So chromium cannot remember manganese, manganese cannot remember manganese, yeah? For these lines, you do not necessarily need to see it. It's exactly the same. And then take a look at the last here. So chromium can react with iron, which means chromium is greater than iron, right? And manganese can react with iron. It means also manganese is greater than iron. Then we must know which one should be the least reactive. Iron should be least reactive, right? And also chromium greater than manganese greater than chromium here, right? But the question is asking about increasing order, so we should do in an opposite way, right? So I'll write iron is smaller than chromium, smaller than manganese. So if we take a look at the options, this one should be choice A.